Okay, children, the time now is 5:30. That wasn't 1 minute, I know. I lied. All right, but I saw that my time down here state 5:30, so let's just begin lesson, right? All right, so usually you know that I will start off with one additional exam question for you guys to practice on. And all these exam questionnaire is from some good schools. All right, the children are actually practicing on this type of question. So I just want to introduce you this type of questions too. All right, hello children. All right, and last week was Children's Day, right? So Children's Day, there wasn't any homework, right? Yes. So good for you. Okay, come. Let's start off with one of these questions first. Let's go. All right, can you please go to the chat and write in the answer, please? All right, go and give it a try. Go to the chat and write in the answer. Okay, Lavanya, I saw your answer. Ruben, I saw your answer. Okay, so I think Ruben's A answer is correct. Lavanya, your A and B is incorrect. Maybe you want to try again? Shiloh, how come your answer for the first one and Lavanya the same? Let me see. How many tiles did he use to completely cover the floor? How can it only be 8 tiles, children? Right? How can it only be 8? This is considered one tile. Look, you want to cover the entire floor. How to have 8 only? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Yeah, but you need the entire floor. Hello. How can it be only 8? All right, it's not a counting question. Please be careful. Okay, please be careful. The clue is here. Children, look, look, look. What is this word down here? Okay, can you please try again? Caleb, your answer is A. So cute. You have to give me a number. You give me an A for what? So funny. Yes, Lavanya, your third answer is correct. Correct already. Good job. Oh, very good, Chi-En. Not bad. Your A is correct. Very good. Very good. Okay, hey, go and look for your part B. Ruben, you haven't given me your part B answer yet. Try. Shiloh, no. Shiloh, try again, please. I think you're almost there. You got the idea already. I think you got the idea already. You're almost there. Shiloh, 加油. All right, the clue is the square-shaped floor. It's a square-shaped floor. What's the meaning of a square shape? Square shape means that this portion here, all right, must be the same length as this portion here. So use your imagination. How many tiles do I need? Too many already lah. Where got 184? So scary. Hey, Chen, very good. Wow. All right, Chen, first attempt. Got it. All right, both answers she got it. Lavanya, no. Your second answer a bit weird. What is the perimeter of the floor? Hey, perimeter means what? Lavanya, got read properly enough. Of the floor. Perimeter means down here. Look, look, look. The green here, starting here, plus here, plus here, plus here, right? Correct or not? Were you thinking too much or not? Silly girl. Hey, wait. Is it? What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter of the floor? Yeah, correct. It's the green color portion. Yes, Ruben, you got it. Yes. Good job. Evan, are you okay? Your eyes seems like you just woke up. Are you okay? Okay, very good. Wen-Xin, okay, Okay, so Wen-Xin, we are actually doing this extra exam question. All right, you might want to take a look at it. All right, some of them already got the answer, like Shi-En got both of the answers correct. Ruben also got both of the answers correct. Lavanya is still trying to get the second part of the answer. Caleb, where are you? Are you there? All right, can you please try Evan and Wen-Xin? Oh, Lavanya, no! No! Okay, so the rest ready or not? Okay, so this type of question, right? The question already give you the diagram, you know. You must be able to do it one. Really. Okay, so let's go through together. A worker completely filled a square-shaped floor. What is a square-shaped floor? Look. This is called a square-shaped floor. All right, it's a square. All right, means that the length here and the length here is equal. All right, the length is equal to the length. Clear? Right, it's filled with identical tiles by using the tiling pattern below. All right, so you're supposed to use this pattern now here. Caleb, good job. Yes, part A is correct. Good job, Caleb. All right. So down here, right, looking at the pattern, children, can you see or not? What do you see? All right. You need to what? You need to ensure that, right? You need to ensure that this portion here, the length here, is actually equal to this portion here, the length, because it's a square. Right. So what do you do? All right. Maybe we can do our cutting. Look. For example, if down here we have another 46. All right. If down here we have another 46. All right. For primary 3, primary 4, right, don't worry. The diagram will be drawn a little bit quite accurate one. All right. If this is 46. All right. And this is another, because down here, can you see not? We have how many 46 down here? Can you see not? We have another 46 down here. Can you see not? We have another 46 down here. Correct or not? Can you see? Can you see or not? All right. So down here, right, as you can see, one of this length is actually made up of what? It's actually made up of two of this breadth. Can you see? All right. One red color, the length is actually made out of two of the yellow color. All right. So the one red color, right? The one red color down here is a 46. Also, can you see that? Yes, right. Okay. So if you can see that, right, you can actually know the length of the square already. So there must be 4 46, which means that down here also need to have 4 46. Correct or not, children? Right. Down here need to have another 46. Correct or not? How come? Because on the left got 4 46. So on the top also must have 4 46. Why? Because it's a square. So if you look at the pattern, children, if you look at the pattern, down here I need to cut, right, and draw another 8, right? Down here I need to cut and draw another 8. Can you see or not? Down here on the left, right, the first one got how many 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So down here must have another 8 tiles, another 8 tiles, and another 8 tiles. So total, how many tiles are needed? 4 times 8. Answer is 32 tiles. Can or not, children? Look at the diagram. It's actually quite useful. Next, they are looking for something called the perimeter. Ayo, this one is super simple. All right. So the perimeter is one entire round. One entire round. Okay. So what is one of this? What is one of these question mark? All right. It's actually 46 times 4, right? Because got 4 46, right? So if you do your multiplication, you get 184 centimeter. All right. So this is 184 centimeter. Okay. This portion is also 184 centimeter. It's a square. This portion is also 184 centimeter. And this portion is also 184 centimeter. So now, children, what is the perimeter of the floor? 184 times 4, answer should give you a 736. 736 cm. Is that okay, children? Okay. This question was taken from one of the Singapore. Got some of the top 15 or top 10 schools. Right. This is from one of the top 10, top 15 schools. All right. So they are asking such question in their work problems. So I just want to expose to you guys. All right. Because other people in primary 3, this is primary 3. All right. This is other people are actually exposed to such question. I want you to be fair. I want you to know that such question you also need to know how to answer. All right. So it's better for you to be exposed. It's okay that you don't know how to do. All right. But after this, right, you might want to go and recap a bit and to know how to do in future if it comes out. Understand? Okay? Okay, come. Ready for the next question? Are you ready? Are you ready? Can Okay, let me bring in Caleb again because I think Caleb's laptop got problem. In, out, in, out. Okay, come, children, let's go into the questions in the worksheet. All right, so this time around, very happy I was telling the class just now. All right, out of 9 students, right, got at least 7 of you attempted the worksheet. Good job. Good job. All right, so those questions you can see, right, is actually quite simple, right? Yes, but I don't understand why people still make careless mistakes, especially the spelling one. You know, the 6,318. All right, some people don't know how to spell. Some people don't know where to put the comma. Some people don't know when to put the S and all this. All right, so it's important that easy questions, you need to secure the marks. All right, okay, come. Let's take a look at the first question. Oh, this question is very simple. All right, all of you got it right. All right, except one student who might have a bit of carelessness. All right, a quick one. So every time you see the word thousands, right? Thousands, what must you do? Thousands represents 3, 0. All right, tens represent 1, 0. That's what I will do. That's what I will always do. And the number 5, I just copy down. The number 50, I just copy down. What's the meaning of n? N actually means plus, you know that? All right, makes is equal. So I'm just trying to exchange the English for mathematics. I'm just trying to exchange the English words for mathematics. Exchange the English words for mathematics. And children, all right, sometimes, right, do not take the unnecessary risk. You can actually do a quick addition, all right, to confirm the answers as D. Because this type of question, right, your teacher very irritating one. Always give you like very close answer. Can you see that? Very close answer. All right, so if your eyes, right, play tricks on you, right, you might choose the wrong answer. Understand or not? All right, so answer is actually D, 5500. That's why, right, such easy question, I don't dare to make careless mistake. So I will always try to write out my working. I will try to write out the numbers because for me, right, I'm a very visual person. I can see, I know how to do. All right, if I cannot see, I don't know how to do. All right, so if you can write it out, it doesn't cost a lot. All right, it doesn't cost a lot for writing out the numbers like this. Is it okay? Okay, very good. Next one, question number 2. Okay, question number 2 also. All right, most of you, actually all of you got it right. All right, all of you got it right. Very good, very proud of you guys. All right, how many hundreds are there in 800? All right, so the meaning of hundreds means what? There are 2 0. So down here already got 2 0 already, right? All right, so how many hundreds are there? There are 8 hundreds. All right, there are 8 100s. All right, so answer is 8. Answer is A. All right, all of you got this right. Very good. Okay, next one. Question 3. Which of the following has the smallest value? Smallest value. Okay, so let's take a look. Do you see this word down here? I don't know why it's down there. Can you see? Can you see? Or is it on my screen only? Yeah, I think some logging in. So weird, so irritating, this one. Oh, it's gone, it's gone.
Question 2.
Oh, sure. Right, question 2. How many hundreds are there in 800s? There are
I'm
8.
done.
Okay, very good. Okay. So which of the following has the smallest value? So children, can you see, sometimes I try to underline all the key important words of the question. All right, so that I try to avoid carelessness again. Ready? Okay. Which of them, looking at it, has the smallest value? One $10 and 6 10-cent coin. One $10 means what? One piece of $10, which is $10 note lah. 6 pieces of 10-cent coin. 6 pieces of 10-cent coin, isn't it 60 cents? N means plus. All right, that will give you a $10 and 60 cents. Is that true? Okay, easy. Next one. 6 pieces of $2 notes. 6 pieces of $2 notes. Y'all should